Next point, chromosomes. The structure in the nucleus of the cells that carries the hereditary characteristic is called chromosomes. Chromosomes means what? The structure is present in nucleus that having the characteristic of heredity, that is called chromosomes, and it is mainly made up of nucleic acid and protein. During cell division, we can see the chromosome under compound microscope. Genes which contain the information about the hereditary characteristic in coded form are located on chromosomes. The genes are located on the chromosomes and that are carries the information about the characteristic. Each species has the specific number of chromosomes. This DNA is made up of chromosomes is made up of DNA. It is appear in dumbbell shaped during cell division. Constricted region on each chromosomes, it is called the primary constriction or centromere. The divide the chromosome into two parts. This centromere are divide the chromosome in two parts, and each part is called arm. And upon the position of arm, there are the four types of chromosomes. Types of chromosomes. First one, metacentric. In this, the centromere is exactly at the midpoint in chromosome, and therefore the chromosome look like English letter V, and that's why its length of this arm is equal in length. Submetacentric. In this, the centromere near midpoint, and therefore one arm is slightly shorter than the other, and that's why it is look like the English letter L. Acrocentric. Centromere in near one end of this chromosome, which therefore look like the English letter J, and one arm is much smaller than the others. That's why it look like the J English letter. Telocentric. The telocentric is right at the end of the chromosome, making chromosome look like English letter I. These chromosomes consist of only one arm. These are the four types of chromosome according to position of the arm: metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, and the telocentric. In somatic cells, chromosomes are in pair. Their pair, if similar in the shape or organization, that it is the homologous chromosome. But if that not in similar, then heterologous chromosomes. In all organisms, if that produce sexually, then that are their pairs is different. One pair is different from the other. So that pair are called sex chromosomes or allosomes, and all other chromosomes which are the same or similar, that are called autosomes. In the picture 16.3 types of chromosomes, we can see the metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, and telocentric. If you observe carefully, they are look like the V shape L shape, J, and the I.